Welcome to the virtual open house at Northern Lakes College for Computer Network Specialist program. This program prepares you to build, maintain, and support a small business network. Graduates gain employment as technical support, network or systems analysts, or information technology support or administration. This program can be taken at a full-time or part-time basis, depending on what your needs are. It is delivered through our Anytime, Anywhere model, where you can access your courses online through live sessions and pre-recorded sessions. There is a required 11 courses in this program, which does include an employment practicum. This practicum is a great hands-on opportunity for you to apply the skills that you have been working towards and gaining through the program. And it is 4 weeks. We will help work with you as you select an employer that best meets your needs in your communities to complete the practicum. There are a couple of prerequisites to be accepted into this program. A prerequisite with an 30 level in English or a 20 level in math. Well, I notice it is small on this screen. There is a breakdown here of a fee estimate for your overall cost for the total program. Each of these costs are broken down by credit. So for the entirety of the program, it comes in under $6,000. In addition to that cost, students do purchase their own books. We do supply a book list, which allows you to have links to the publisher website for easy purchase. Here you will see the 11 courses that are in this program. One of the courses, Business Communications, is offered in every term as long as there are the enrollment numbers to support it. Every other class is only offered in the specific term that you will see on this screen. In addition, for students that may be taking the program on a part-time basis, the employment practicum can also be taken in the fall, winter, or spring term. You must first complete all of your other courses before beginning the employment practicum. You will also notice that some of the courses do have prerequisites, so we are looking for you to have completed many of the courses in the fall term and gaining those skills to move on to the winter term, where you will continue to build upon what you have been learning. Beyond this certificate, there are additional pathways that you can continue your educational journey. Some students will go on to take a diploma level program or their Bachelor of Science with a focus in computer science. This information can be found on Transfer Alberta. There's a variety of potential opportunities for employment upon completing this program. They range from service administrator to network technician, network analyst, IT cybersecurity analyst, remote operations technician, and it continues to be a growing field. The average income is taken from the website link you will see at the bottom of this slide, which is updated annually. On average, we see people in this field earning about $76,000 per year, which equates to about $38 per hour. Why would you choose NLC for this program? Northern Lakes College truly does have a delivery model which allows you to complete this program at your pace wherever you may be located. Our instructors are very supportive and very knowledgeable, many of whom have worked in the field themselves or have played an integral role in developing this program. If you apply today during our virtual open house, the $50 application fee will be waived. Thank you so much for joining me for our virtual open house and learning a little bit more about the Computer Network Specialist program. If you have any questions, I would be so happy to answer them and work with you. So my name is Chelsea Kinney. I'm the program administrator for this program, along with the other business programs offered at Northern Lakes College, and I can be reached by phone or by email. I look forward to working with you. Start here and go anywhere.